If you're on the hunt for a simple yet profitable buy-sell indicator trading strategy, let's dive in and explore the world of opportunities together. We'll take a peek at an example using a gold chart with a 15-minute time frame. But remember, you've got the freedom to choose any chart or time frame you like to trade. It's all about what works best for you. Our focus today is on a strategy that's inspired by the renowned Elliott wave strategy. But here's the catch. It's been simplified with the help of an indicator that'll give you the exact price and timing to open those buy and sell positions. Plus, it'll guide you where to place your stop loss and take profit target, so you can just sit back and let it do the thinking for you. Now, let's hop on over to the indicator section and search for our trusty sidekick, the third wave indicator. Punch in those words, and when the results pop up, look for the one by Lonesome the Blue. That's the one you want to add to your chart. Here's a quick background on the third wave and Elliott wave theory. It's not the shortest wave, but usually the longest along waves 1, 3, and 5. So, if you can snag that third wave, we might just unlock some sweet trading opportunities. The third wave indicator helps you experimentally locate these waves. It can also find third wave within waves 1, 3, 5, A, and C. To ensure we're on the right track, the third wave should boost a larger volume compared to other waves. The indicator can check its volume and even compare it with the volumes of waves 1 and 2, if that's your jam. Alright, as we dive deeper into the strategy, you might be wondering, should we trade every single time the indicator says buy or sell? Well, hold your horses. The answer is a big
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
You see, with any indicator-based trading strategy, we always need confirmation before pulling the trigger. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, we need to fine-tune the indicator settings for optimal results. So hop on over to the indicator settings window. And in the inputs tab, tweak the zigzag period to 7. Next, set the mean and max retracement to 0.2 and 0.8 respectively. And don't forget to enable the check volume support option. That's important. And go ahead and disable the target 2, but set the target 1 to number 2. No other changes needed, so you're good to go. Now, hold up. Before we get too carried away, we need a trend detection indicator to help us identify the trend and avoid trading against it. So, back to the indicator section we go, and this time, let's search for 4WMA ribbon. You'll see it's got 4 WMA lines, but we only need 2. So let's head over to the indicator settings and disable the WMA1 and WMA2 options in the Style tab. Feel free to play around with the color and thickness of the remaining WMA lines to suit your preferences. Now onto the Inputs tab. Change the L3 to 90 and voila. We've got ourselves a customized trend detection indicator. Alright, let's take a moment to chat about uptrends and downtrends. After all, understanding these trends is key to making smart trading decisions. Picture this. You're looking at your chart and you see that the price is dancing above these 2 WMA lines. What does that tell you? It's a sign that the market is in an uptrend. In this situation, you've got to be a buyer, focusing on taking buy trades to ride the upward momentum. But what if the table turns and the price drops below these 2 WMA lines? Well, that's a different story. It signals that a downtrend is in play, and when you find yourself in that scenario, it's generally best to shift your strategy towards selling, capitalizing on the downward movement. Alright folks, let's take a closer look at these examples to see how this trading strategy can line your pockets with profits. First off, we've got a buy signal, but don't get too excited just yet. The signal candle isn't above both WMA lines, and the order of the lines isn't correct, so we're gonna have to pass on that one. But don't worry, because next we've got a buy signal with a confirmed uptrend in the market. Now that's what we're talking about. This one is a confirmed buy signal we can get behind. Moving on, we've got a counter trend sell signal. Remember, we're all about trading with the trend. So let's filter that one out and wait for a better opportunity. Next, there's another sell signal, but hold your horses, the trend is still up, so we'll have to reject that one too. Patience is key, my friends. Next, we've got a buy signal, and since the trend is still our body, it's a confirmed signal and we can jump on. The same goes for the next couple of buy signals. As long as the uptrend is in the play, we're good to go. Now let's check out how profitable these buy trade signals turn out to be. To enter the buy trade, we open it at the close price of the signal candle. For risk management, we place the stop loss below the box and set the target at the dashed line drawn by the indicator, giving us a nice 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And guess what? The trade was profitable. We checked the next one using the same rule, and it turned out to be a winner too. So feel free to check out the rest. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth. Backtesting the strategy to see the results. We tested it out on the gold 15-minute chart with 100 trades. The win rate was a solid 71%, and we reckoned sweet 115% profit. The profit factor was 3.67, with 7 consecutive wins and 4 consecutive losses during the backtesting period. Plus, the max drawdown was just 3.94%. Not too shabby, huh? So there you have it, a pretty impressive trading strategy that's been put through its paces. With dedication and a keen eye, you can use this strategy to bolster your profits and become the trader you always wanted to be.